birthday song. Okay, when the music impromptu meron. Okay, ready? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Okay, let's give some energy. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Ayan, happy birthday yung mga Gloria Ganda. Okay, dapat sa mga bata. Diyos. At yan ang talagang pinaka-importante sa lahat. Okay, now, Jalibee's third wish para kay Malaya ay lumaki Jalias, Jollibee. Ayan, nag-smile na siya, Jollibee. Okay, now, Jalibee's fourth and last wish, hindi lang kay Malaya, kundi para sa ating lahat. Ano kaya ito? Ay, hindi tayo kakain na ito! Grabe ka naman, Jollibee. Napaka-selfish mo naman. Okay na, Jollibee, ibigay mo na yung kutindog para sa ating birthday celebrant. Baka naman hindi na siya matakot sa Jollibee. Ayun na! Okay, Maria, here's your birthday gift from Jollibee. Yay! Up here. Okay, what are you going to say to Jollibee? What are you going to say to Jollibee? Okay, you're welcome naman daw na kay Jollibee. Alam mo ba, kinulig si Jollibee dahil sa napakakita thank you. Nakakatawa naman ang puso ang thank you na yun. Diba? Sige ka Jollibee, no? Yan, wala rin siya mahaglokin mo Jollibee. Okay, basin pwede na ka magpa-picture together with Jollibee. Ayan. Okay, let's have a photo opportunity. Picture. Yay! Ayan, nag-expose. Sulitin na natin. Mientras wala pa siya nakuhan. Wala pa gisado. Ito pa naglo. Yan, expose to the Jollibee. Gamitan ng tanang post na. Ay, grabe. Napaka-OA. Okay, now this time, Jollibee, we're going to distribute the balloons and loot bags. Okay, balloons lang sa Jollibee kasi ma'am na ibahala sa mga loot bags. Okay, and also, kung sa tiganahan magpa-picture ni Jollibee, you can also grab the moment now dahil limited lang po ang time ng Jollibee.